Nature's love is sometimes gentle and sometimes painfully cruel. And one of the most tragic love stories is hidden inside the life of a tiny creature, the honeybee. A love that ends with death. Yes. Why does a male honeybee die right after mating? What kind of love ends this painfully? In the world of honeybees, there are three main characters. The queen bee, tea worker bees, the male bees known as drones. A drone bee has only one purpose in life: to mate with the queen. They don't collect nectar, they don't build a hive, they don't defend the colony. Their life is simply waiting. Waiting for the queen, for the moment of love, for the mating flight. When the queen is ready to mate, she takes off into the sky on a special mission called the nuptial flight. This is not a normal flight. Dozens of drones chase her at full speed, but only a few of the strongest, fastest drones will reach her. Only they earn the chance to mate with the queen. Once a drone reaches the queen, the most dramatic moment of nature begins. During mating, the drone ejects a special reproductive organ that transfers sperm to the queen, but in that very moment, something terrible happens. The male bee's reproductive organ is torn from his body. The torn part remains inside the queen. This is called the mating plug. As soon as this happens, the drone becomes unconscious, and within seconds or minutes, he dies. This is not just mating, it is a form of sacrifice. The drone doesn't want to die, but nature has designed him this way. The drone's body is built so that once his organ is torn, he cannot survive. This ensures the queen receives enough sperm to produce thousands of eggs throughout her lifetime. In short, the death of the drone ensures the survival of the hive, cruel yet perfectly designed by nature. From the death of a single drone comes thousands of new bees, new workers, new soldiers, an entire new generation. A queen bee, after just one mating flight, can lay eggs for 5 to 7 years. A single hive can grow to more than 50,000 bees. So the drone's death isn't just a tragedy, it is part of nature's grand design. Human love may end in heartbreak, but the love of bees ends in death. For the drone, mating is his first duty, and also his last. This tragic love story of bees shows us that even the smallest creatures carry the biggest mysteries of nature. If you enjoy scientific mysteries like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which mystery you want next.